Hello everyone. Welcome to Giri Premi's Guardian Giri Premi Institute of Mountaineering, and we are going to discuss in this video Diploma in Mountaineering and Allied Sports started by Guardian Giri Premi Institute of Mountaineering in association with Savitribai Phule Pune University. You must have already known by now that this is the first time ever in India diploma level curriculum is being developed for adventure sport like mountaineering, and this course is being run for the first time at Savitribai Phule Pune University, and it will start from September 2021. So let's see what this program is all about. First of all, you must be wondering why I should do this diploma level program, why I should spend 1 year for pursuing this course. What are the benefits of doing these course? So I'll quickly take you through the benefits. First and foremost, diploma program has a potential to generate employment opportunities not only in Maharashtra, India, but across the globe. You can be an outdoor instructor or educator, mountain guide to leading various mountaineering expeditions, running adventure companies, delivering motivational speech. Adventure photography and videography are some of the niche sections that you can explore through this field. Along with that, once you complete this diploma program, you can pursue this rock climbing, mountaineering as a professional sport and conduct your own expeditions. It opens gates to advanced level training such as advanced mountaineering course, method of instructors, search and rescue courses, and other altitude courses that you can participate. Most fundamental benefit of pursuing this course is that mountaineering, as we know, is a way of life. So it teaches you various not only technical skills, but it develops your personality as well, be it physical fitness, self confidence, courage, leadership qualities. All these soft skills development will happen through mountaineering. There is another potential for those who are seeking sport climbing. They can pursue this field after completing this course to professional level. After completing this course will offer you employment as well as internship opportunities at various mountaineering institutes, including GGIM. Now let's see what this course exactly is going to be. As I mentioned earlier, it is the first time ever in India diploma level curriculum is being developed for mountaineering field. In this course, you will not only earn a diploma certificate, but you will also earn basic mountaineering course certification from India's prestigious mountaineering institute, Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. You will be trained and you will be taught by Giri Premi's most experienced and qualified faculty. Many of them would be having completed their all mountaineering education as well as having submitted numerous mountains, including 8,000ers like Everest, Kanchenjunga, Annapurna, and so on. Now, this course will be of 1 year. It will have 2 semesters. Each semester will have 4 months, and the total number of subjects in this course will be 12, six theory and six practicals. So, total credit are 36. Each course will have 3 credits. So, total 12 subjects, and hence the total number of credits will be 36. Teaching method would be online or offline. Offline as in when the pandemic will be over, the classroom sessions will take place at university, and all the practical sessions will take place in outdoor field. Tuition fees are 90,000. I will explain in detail the bifurcation of the tuition fees. Prerequisite, there is no prerequisite for this course. Language of course will be English or Marathi. Now, eligibility for this course is you should have completed 12th standard from a recognized institution. You should be medically fit to participate in outdoor adventures since it is focused at outdoor activities primarily. And lastly, you should be in an age group of 18 to 60. No participant below 18, no participant above 60 can apply for this course. Speaking of timeline of this course, um, there will be an entrance examination for this course. It will be an objective question based exam, and that entrance examination will take place in the last week of July. Exact dates will be soon shared by the university. You can check them on university's website. Then in the August month, admission process will be conducted. Team GJAM will be there along with SPPU administration to guide you in this admission process. Then first semester will take place during September to December. At the end of December, there will be end-sem examination for first semester. After the first semester is over, second semester will begin in the month of January. So January till April, second semester will take place. Now, in the second semester, we have planned a basic mountaineering course at Nehru Institute of Mountaineering in Uttarkashi. So this course will take place during 20th March to 20th April. Now, and after the completion of BMC, we will come back to Pune University and appear for end sem examination for semester two. After the end sem exam of semester two is over, there will be a graduation ceremony, a convocation ceremony, and it will be taking place on a a special day of 29th May, which is known as World Everest Day, because on this day in 1953, first humans had stepped on top of Mount Everest, Sir Sherpa Tenzing Norgay and Sir Edmund Hillary. So that's about the timeline of the course. In case during this process, if you get any questions, any doubts, you can always get in touch with us, with our team GJAM regarding all admission and administration processes. Now let's look at the application process. We have made a short video to explain this administration process. I will take you through it in a short while. So for the admission, you have to go to SPPU homepage. There at the bottom, as you will scroll down, you will see PG admission tab in a yellow color. You will log in with your credentials. If you do not have your own credentials, you will have to register with your email ID and phone number. Once you register, and for this entire process, you can switch in either Marathi or English as per your choice. Then you have to fill up your personal information as shown here and save and proceed. A pop-up window will appear. You have to click OK and go ahead. Then you have to input your academic information. Please make sure that you have to select HSE as it is required for degree exam type section. And degree exam name, you can put any. Again, add these academic informations and go ahead. Please make sure that once you enter these details, you should find degree exam type as HSE. There should be a HSE mentioned in that section. It is very important. Here you have to upload all the required documents. You have to upload your passport size photo and a signature. The size of the photos will be mentioned. You have to add them accordingly. After that, you have to apply for the course. There, you have to select faculty as interdisciplinary studies. In that, you have to ensure that department name comes as Department of Physical Education, and there you diploma in mountaineering and allied sports will be reflected. You have to view info and apply and proceed further. Once again, check all personal information and academic information that you have filled. Enter all the details of resources that you have, such as laptop, what kind of network you will be having, and proceed further. Then you will move to the payment process. Here you have to make online payment. If there is any incomplete information, you have to fill up, such as you can see here, and proceed for the payment. You have to pay INR 500 rupees, and after the payment, a pop-up, you will get a receipt like this, and you will also receive an email notification for the successful payment. And subsequent communication from the university will take place on the same email ID. So that was about application process. Again, in this process also, if you find any difficulties, please get in touch with Team VJM. The contact details I will be sharing at the end of the slide. Now let's look at the syllabus. So there are two syllabus that we will be discussing here. First is for the entrance exam. As I mentioned earlier, there is going to be an entrance exam to be eligible for this diploma course. So let's see what the syllabus for entrance exam is. There are two sections, Section A and Section B. Section A will be covering the aptitude and logical reasoning understanding of the participant, and Section B will be focused more towards the actual course content. So you can see here, there will be two units in Section 1. Unit 1 will be mathematical reasoning and aptitude. Unit 2, logical and analytical reasoning. Section B will have subjects such as general awareness and environment. Unit 2, geography of India and Maharashtra. Unit 3 will talk about history and evolution of mountaineering. Unit 4 about human body science, nutrition and exercises. Unit 5 will cover disaster management and emergency response coordination. So these are the glimpses of what all questions will come from. These are mainly going to be general knowledge based questions, so don't worry, it's not going to be very challenging exam. Having completed this entrance exam syllabus, let's move to the actual course content of the diploma program. So, as I mentioned earlier, there will be three theory papers in first semester and three practical papers in the same semester. So total six theory papers and six practical sessions will be there for this diploma course. And the modules upon which these courses will be based are these five. One is technical knowledge and skills. Second is disaster management. Third is soft skills and life skills. Fourth is about health science. And fifth is allied mountaineering. So, technical skills and knowledge being the core of rock climbing and mountaineering, will be covering all knots, equipment, rock climbing, rappelling, jumaring, high altitude craft. Similarly, in disaster management, we will be learning about first aid, casualty carrying techniques, various rescue drills, strategies, and management for disaster in case there are any disasters. In the soft skills, you will learn through experiences. You will learn effective communications, teamwork, leadership skills, and so on. Health science will talk about physical fitness, mental fitness. It will also talk about special subjects such as human physiology, science of fitness and training. Allied engineering will talk about flora and fauna, biodiversity, cultural aspects of mountainous region. You will also see what career opportunities are there. You will understand about photography, videography in adventure field. You will understand about laws and legal matters related to adventure sector, and so on. So these are the glimpses of what the syllabus is going to be. The entire detailed syllabus of both the semesters is being shared by university, and it is available on university's website. You can anytime check. Now let's see what the teaching methodology will be. Theory classes will be online since we are still facing the situation of pandemic. Theory classes are still going to be uh, via online platform. When the pandemic will be over and there will be relaxations, the lectures will be in classroom at university. Classes will be 5 days a week and 2 hours, especially in the evening. While practical sessions will take place on field and they will be held during the weekends. 1 or 2 weekends of each month, there will be practical sessions, and in the last month of first semester, there will be 4 days of special outdoor training. Similarly, in semester 2, theory classes will be either online and offline depending upon the situation of pandemic at that time. 5 days a week theory classes will take place during the evening, 2 hours. Practical classes, yes, all practical classes will take place in outdoors, and they will take place in on weekends only. uh, Semester 2, as we discussed earlier, will have basic mountaineering course. And this basic mountaineering course is tentatively planned during 20th March to 20th April. It will take place at Nehru Institute of Mountaineering at Uttarkashi in Uttarakhand. So that is all about the teaching methodology of this diploma course. Now, speaking of fee structure, as I mentioned earlier, the total tuition fee is 90,000. You can pay it in two installments. One installment one 45,000 and installment two another 45,000. But in the first installment, you will have to pay additional fees such as library and admin fees of approximately 3,000 rupees. Entrance exam fee will be of 500 rupees, and there will be, since there will be two semester end semester examinations, so there will be a fees of around 1000 to 1200 rupees for the semester exams as well. Apart from that, you will have to only bear the expenses of your travel from your place to the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering and back. Rest of all food, accommodation, training at NIM will be included in your tuition fees. At Sahyadris, all outdoor field activities, all your travel plans, your food, accommodation, everything will be included in the tuition fees. Now, for this diploma program, and there is a highly experienced and knowledgeable faculty that will be taking the courses. As I mentioned earlier, highly experienced rock climbers, mountaineers, outdoor educators will be conducting this course. There will be special faculties from various niche subjects such as fort architecture, human physiology, disaster management, videography and photography in adventure field. So the special faculty will be taking certain classes, and of course, Nehru Institute of Mountaineering will be conducting basic mountaineering course. So that's how your faculty is going to be for this entire course. So that is all about this diploma course in mountaineering and allied sports. In case if you have any questions, any doubts while in admission process or any other doubts you have, please contact us on these numbers, and you can also email us at ggmpune@gmail.com. So thank you so much, and I wish you all the best for this course. Thank you.